Jieyo Technology Company Limited located in Shenzhen City, one of the important city in Great Bay Area of China. Our factory covers an area of 100,000 square meters and has 300 employees. We are a manufacturer specialized in the manufacture, research, development and sales of NIM battery, lithium-ion battery and lithium iron phosphate battery. Besides, we have strong R&D team to make great efforts to design new solution and develop new products to meet different requirements by customer. We also support OEM, ODM services. We have own battery cell production line of NIM battery, provide battery cell to battery pack. With strictly quality control from incoming battery cell to finished battery pack of lithium-ion battery pack, use manufacturing execution system to monitor the entire production process. All products are tested with aging cabinets and make full safe testing included overcharge and discharge, short circuit, crush and free fall before shipment. Our factory passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001 system certification. Most of our products have got UL, CE, CB, PSE, KC, RoHS, REACH certificates. Our products are sold to Europe, North America, Middle East, East Asia, Oceania, Africa and other global markets. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from all over the world to cooperate with us for common success.